after you install the CarPlay. This is the original car system. And then you use the side control buttons. Press and hold the menu setup button for like 5 to 10 seconds. You can see it turns to the CarPlay module system. And then you turn to the Bluetooth. Connect Bluetooth with your phone. It has a very clear instruction. Just connect your phone to the device name. Ferrari CarPlay Dia 1. You pair with your phone, and it will automatically connect to CarPlay. The CarPlay screen show up. You have to use the menu buttons on the side. This and then back buttons. It is standard CarPlay. You can use all kind apps like Spotify. Let's try out Spotify. You can play your favorite song here. You can use a Google Map. You can put destination on your phone.